Hi. Here we have a gentleman decided to treat a few children in the following manner. He gives half of his total stock of toffees and one extra to the first child, and then half of the remaining stock along with one extra to the second child, and continues giving in this fashion. Now his total stock exhausts after he takes care of 5 children. How many toffees were there initially? So let's understand a pattern here. If you try to form equations, although you can solve it assuming X number of chocolates initially and whatever he is giving away, whatever is left with him. If you do that by forming proper equations, you can, but it's going to be a little cumbersome. Let's try to figure out a pattern here. What's happening is, let's say before the first child, the amount he had initially, amount of chocolates he had is A. Before the first child. Now to the first child he gave how many? Half of the chocolates plus 1. So what is the number of chocolates remaining with him? Since he gave 1 more than half, he will have 1 less than the other half. Right? So A minus this thing. So he'll have 1 less than half chocolates remaining with him. Same will happen with the second child. If let's say before the second child he has B chocolates, so he'll give B by 2 plus 1 to the second child, and then he will have remaining B by 2 minus 1. And this will happen so on till the 5th child. If let's say before the 5th child he had E chocolates, so to the 5th child he will give 1 more than half of the chocolates. So the number of chocolates remaining him will be E by 2 minus 1. Right? And now it is given to us that at the end he is left with no chocolates, right? If he is left with no chocolates, that means E is equal to 2. E by 2 is equal to 1, E is equal to 2. So before the 5th child, he had 2 chocolates. Now if he had 2 chocolates before the 5th child, it means that the remaining number B, C, D, C4, C3. Let's say for the 4th child, before the 4th child, if he had D chocolates, he will give D by 2 plus 1 to the 4th child. So the number of chocolates remaining with him will be D by 2 minus 1. And the number of chocolates remaining after 4th child is same as the number of chocolates before he goes to the 5th child. So this should be 2, right? So if this is 2, D comes out to be 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6. Right? Now if before the 3rd child, if he had C chocolates, he will give C by 2 plus 1 to the 3rd child. So the number of chocolates remaining him will be C by 2 minus 1. Right? And the number of chocolates remaining after 3rd child is same as number of chocolates before he gave to the 4th child. So this must be equal to D, which is 6. So C from here comes out to be 6 plus 1, 7, 7 into 2, 14. Now if this is 14, this must be 14, right? So B here comes out to be 14 plus 1, 15, 15 into 2, 30. B comes out to be 30. Now if B is 30, this must be 30. And if this is 30, A comes out to be 30 plus 1, 31 into 2, 62. That means initially he had 62 chocolates with him. So this is how you can solve this question by working from bottom to the initial amount that he had. Since it's given that he is left with no chocolates, finally this is where we start and figure out a pattern and figure out the number of chocolates he initially had. Thank you.